you've been drawing for weeks, maybe months, maybe even years. So, why doesn't it feel like your art is improving? The answer might surprise you.
Many artists spend hours drawing the same things.
They're already comfortable with. But improvement happens when you challenge yourself. Another common mistake? Drawing without studying the fundamentals. Things like shapes, perspective, lighting, and proportions are the building blocks of great art. And here's a big one: not using references. Trying to draw everything from memory can slow your progress dramatically. But the biggest reason of all? Inconsistent practice. Drawing once in a while won't create the same results as drawing regularly. Remember, improvement isn't about drawing more, it's about practicing smarter. The moment you start learning from your mistakes, instead of repeating them, that's when your art truly begins to grow.